I, Dr. A.C. Mohanty, worked as a professor of forensic medicine for about 40 years. I was ex-dean of various medical colleges in Maharashtra and also ex-president of Medical Legal Association of Maharashtra and vice president of IAFM. I am happy to know that lecture series has been prepared and broadcasted by Professor Vijay Wase for MBBS students. It is very informative and easy to learn by the students. The forensic medicine subject, which is an essential part of medical education and later also in life in medical profession. Professor Vijay Wase is highly qualified and having vast knowledge and experience of the subject and doing medical legal work and assisting the law enforcing authority and judiciary. These lectures are in simple language, explained with photographs, diagrams and suitable examples, which will be beneficial to the students, and such lectures should also be available to medical officers doing medical legal work and giving medical evidence in the courts. These lectures would definitely benefit doctors, lawyers and judicial officers immensely. I wish Dr. Wase all success and all the listeners to his lectures a great time ahead. Thank you.
Everyone, lecture discourse on various topics by myself, Professor Vijay Wase, duly qualified and experienced teacher in forensic medicine. The lecture notes are according to the competency-based medical education, designed, exam-oriented and helpful for the students learning forensic medicine subject for MBBS course. Expressed in simple language, depicted with photographs, diagrams and learned examples. Wishing all the best for students.
I am Sanika Kulkarni, CR of second year MBBS at Tehna Medical College, Navi Mumbai. We are very happy to know that the lecture series in forensic medicine by an experienced teacher, Professor Vijay Wase, is being broadcasted. CVM competency learning is made easier with detailed explanation and it completes the audio-visual learning experience. It will be very useful for MBBS students like us. It will be also beneficial for other students and practitioners learning forensic medicine.